Hello everyone, on this video let's see how we can set up a fast digital output to work as a PTO, a pulse train output. So to do this, let's go back to our integrated I/O and navigate to the fast outputs tab. Here you have your 4 fast outputs that you can set up to work as a PWM, a digital output, or in the PTO mode. So it's important to know that the only 2 fast outputs that can work in the PTO mode are the Q14 and the Q16. All of the others, they can't work as a PTO generator. They can only be a PWM or a normal digital output. So in our case, our Q14 is already set as a PWM generator. So we need to work, if you want to work with PTO in our application, it's gonna be on the Q16. So you can select our Q16 as a PTO mode. And now to parameterize our pulse train output to work with a pulse train generator, we can go to our program or user PRD, for example, and you can call a function block the same way that we did with the PWM generator, and we can call a function block, and this is going to be a PTO. Let's declare the variable for the function block. Okay, so here you have all the parameters. You can enable the PTO, the pulse train output. You can declare which fast output you're gonna use for the PTO. In our case, it's gonna be the Q16, and you can start, stop, and soft stop or pulse train output. We can inform to the function block what's gonna be the start frequency, the stop frequency, and the work frequency. That's gonna be our max frequency, the acceleration profiles, how many pulses are gonna be taken in the acceleration and deceleration, and the total pulse that are going to be given in our pulse string. So yeah, this is it for today's video.